Claire Delaunay, VP of Engineering at NVIDIA. I'm here today to talk about Isaac SDK, which is the new software platform for developing robots at NVIDIA. We are building up the productivity tools like visualization, debugging tools, profiling, logging, and simulation to allow roboticists to accelerate their development. We started working with Carter. Carter is just an assembly of very standard technology like LiDAR, stereo camera, Jetson of course, but also localization and mapping and framework. We took Carter in simulation and we had this robot navigating in a fully simulated environment based on an existing building called Endeavor. And then when we tried the robot in reality and we actually let the robot roam, we discovered that we were able to localize the robot fully in reality using the simulated map. And it was a very exciting moment. It's NVIDIA's mission to empower developers with their application. With the Jetson, the hardware brain already present, Isaac SDK wants to complement and to accelerate the development of robots.